Hello again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a page. It is very important that the list of pages is transparent so everyone can have a nice look into the pages section and the activity descriptions when the project ends and they are evaluating the quality. First, you need to choose Create a Page. Then you need to choose under which activity you are going to create the page below. For example, the first one is activities Who Am I? You type the page name with your school name and your country. Then you need to select who can see this page, and it is advisable to see the Twinspace members. Then you have to choose who is going to edit those pages, usually teachers and administrators. If you want to include pupils who are going to be administrators, then you click on the pupil administrator page. Afterwards, you will use this section to describe the activity, the type of activity you have conducted, and the way it was conducted. You can always add images, files, or videos that support your activity from the materials section which you have added before. Thanks for watching.